sister said that. Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, what go in general?
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from up at your workplace. How I go on up there? What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not even like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so I get fire, but I not get no fire, you know. You see it? I said, big on that I go up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, so?
I'm going to show you a pray. I go up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty when I walk around with the little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now you're a catty where you and I come on the other day.
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, he must show me a prayer. What happened to him up at hotel? I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that a go on up there. And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire. You see them boss boy. And them something they really go on with up there.
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you what? Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you want to know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole palico carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of forever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just go lay low. You see me? Because you what? I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of let that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will deal with something. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up my yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long I look for you. We are the right test and I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take me down here, so?
Sis, I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you say any you lose the work, I don't know what you going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realize say, I be a night shift for my give me and night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look on me. Till one night, but the day I'm end up in my office.
Hello?
General, what go on? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone, and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop round for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one when I tell you to work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, he must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No man, we never really want to make no report it. You see me, that's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off of him or cool her down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them, make it told them go report it. And that the man there up at that hotel, you know if you know if you know do, you know, because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is man? What is?
I'm bend over and take it up, and I him that must see what I'm from behind. And me I say, Mr. John, so what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him, and he will on me, and then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend, and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe, because they going to want to say Mr. John to have him wife and this and that, and I'm confused girl, so I'm not really go to the police then yet, or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up your bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep, big and lazy before you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up your bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I made the ask time because you're bigger, you know, no time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
Which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
It's my boot there, man. Because you see, you love to take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. Man, just, you hear me? Just do what you do, you answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. Yo, you hear me? Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food you start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. Have a good national dish. Tin mackerel. Saltfish. I don't know what I'm going with it. something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that eat. You go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people, I'm grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me. You chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably did it, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things are going on, you know. What you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is going, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God know? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And
Tangelina?
the same girl you always see me with.
Girl? That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But she name Angelina. Matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they're dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have to talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, but come out and come sit. And come check me.
I lucky things
You're busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that I did wake up you. If you're glad to wake you up, I lucky thing I wake up because maybe you're that pissy then.
So cross is straight right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, turn right. Best friend?
Yo, mama.
But I don't want girls.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey, I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss, alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AB watching this short film, I want you to go over by public report official, that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so, alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or public report official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Akim Wash. You know what I say,
Me want this BTS to blow.
Go.
You're rough.
All done?
Best friend, not the best friend of a
Big boy.
No, no, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No, no. Hello, hello.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up. We're not going with people. Hold on. Hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes. Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm gonna go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet, but everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
A honey did I feel?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth sister, the teeth, my baby. Candy. Yes, yeah,
Sir, oh. Beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
Yes, yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to go? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akim.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my thief in that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, my youth. Hi, miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet. You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine are junk, you know. See the people. A great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you're covered. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. I understand how she don't get chat to next man.
Calm down, calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah,
Because
why did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage your life? Oh.
Just try to keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people there in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people there, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up.
So you go pop the can't feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down. Come on, settle down. Why this time when I phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want never hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew about that.
Alright, yo.
John no star, why this
So
has
them
freeze
have
up
other
so
something
much?
like this over the side too?
Albo. 18.
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again, show them again. She can't flick, guys. She can't flick, she can't boom flick. A big people are going to them or something and say, you know, say happy then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look on her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So what next flicker that in country?
Find it.
Yeah, white pants.
Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
Not on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. Yeah. So come now.
The minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already a record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing you?
Carolyn, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah,
But anyways, now wasting no time. The sun now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, well, I don't think them question I say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be
works.
able to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try to mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question, what is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think asks that question?
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who wrote the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female answer.
You think a female asks this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Make mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, she have a boyfriend.
Okay.
You think question not bore anyone? Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality, but then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look upon them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over there, number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex life.
Remember, I'm a virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
Come out, Tyson. Come out, Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who get things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a virgin.
Know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. Between me and some weird kind of people. People you can love but they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly female, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
is. Weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
All
Whether
right.
it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, I'm just always, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot, right?
You sure?
You just said the time. Me have it on record now, say the time hot. My hot. My hot is not nervous. My hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
Whatever, what does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer so now I'd ask this question, but
will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
Guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
Nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know. Just
no, I'm saying yeah, it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
no, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I am talented because I have more than one talent.
Alright, not to stray too much, but could you try to find one character and ask if
impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give. Well, then I think you kind of look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. We think that good. On a grader in the comments, so 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell me where do you see yourself in 5 years? Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. So you're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions, I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I don't
have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because...
You don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in one man, I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead and only lad know him all the thing assets too. Me no want to be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. May I tell you who asked this question? I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? He never ask it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him say. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly upon the wall, that's all. Nobody where you see. So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you know, and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's a father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. Mina judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but me I gotta expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, oh, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So like, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, it... But guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I'm tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so...
Me think, are Richard asked this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't, when I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question, I'm going to expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really don't say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard
you're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said for that. I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
I have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? and it
Which
bring that to
means
mind.
that-
So, yo,
Okay.
what is the goal? So, like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
But we can personalize that question. So probably that question I can be
you?
different as well.
Okay.
So everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal thing.
Aspirations.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
where I am now?
Mhm.
Well, I must learn. Either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I not just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here now. So, what in a position we put her now?
Exactly. It was very.
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are need see through ya. See who of them. So look on them. So them and them ask a question. Who of them? Them
I can't believe y'all.
I hope you're not calling me from my question.
No, you not get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you ask.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
Jano, mama, you will give me that day body now, give me a nice buzz now. You know, no more weed. You don't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week, I give you weed. Yesterday, I give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock, I give you weed, and just a while ago, I give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. No laughing about man. Acha.
And keep it changed, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on here?
They in a car park. Oh, I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, it's one youth, you see, man. I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see, man, going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because you want now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I open another red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open another red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and a year run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? At first, you're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And it's a good to we went out with young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Let's up yourself, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know how to deal with it. And you just put the rest upon that, and you know how it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. Be short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You have to get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, son.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers but take out their money said time when me take out the weed said time. You need to come off a sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. What you want to do with for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, where the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, where the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never man. Say selling weed is a career either, but that's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so I smoke weed. Sit down and all the vibes every day.
You know what?
So here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man, I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no Peter, man, she good. When me I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I feel
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, man, but you do go alone and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so still, you know. If people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain on myself.
Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on the...
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
He's shy, but listen, nothing wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my
The
general.
director is doing his work. You understand?
Yo, look my name the way I get. Look my name the way I get.
I've been done.
So, when I tell no lie upon you, are you say the people as she do it.
People not tell a lie now. Look for me. And I tell no lie. Swear.
I don't know what
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
NICE.
Tell them again.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. NiceCon, NICECONN. That is my YouTube channel. Also, I'm an acrobat.
Oh, blur nuts. I do that for your channel, do not you?
Yeah.
Alright, people don't hear that, so.
Come on, so can I go over there?
I don't know, say yo. Go on there. I don't know, say I can go over there, go check out. I can't manage it. I don't have it hard, my boss. Because anytime somebody feel like they go drop on their neck and see stuff. But definitely go over there, go check out the channel, people. And this time, I tell you no. Well, I don't know where I go. I want to do the long movie then. Soon get some long movie. In the meantime, big up on yourself, like the video, and make it this far, definitely like and subscribe for your first time. Until then, we soon up, like more.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you me want the ear, eh? I can't talk about look a bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Yes, remember say food me have to buy no man, the bill them have to pay no man. And I like say now we get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. Them baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a Stacey a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can come a shop if you buy expensive ear and you can't pay for it.
Remember say we have one little leakage in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge do even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and like say, now get here, no, baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the point and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put your on your head.
But I know that, baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you're going to say, you know, until I say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just going to take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you did want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you do, and you're going, you know. And if you're going to.
From me come here, so from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in life, you know. I'm tired of it.
You're going to. You touch, you know.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time, now. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, I'm also. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been out of my house now, baby. Hold on. You take the flag of the babes.
If you can't speak, I know. Coming on out, but I know you're calling.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
Well, this is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something, so do the right thing, okay, Mr. Coyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you got embarrass me up at the station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, no, wrong thing. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it, you know. You know, not even tissue you can buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
you. Love you, baby, I'm also.
Love? Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life you want.
Sandy, really?
I need a better life.
Sandy, where you go? Sandy! Yeah, God. Sandy, baby.
What a good man. Yeah, I'm Jay, where I go? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 errands from some people in the park, right yourself. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. And like, me never tell you I change the date. Fallon, I tell you I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go. That's why I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent. So me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir?
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
And
I'm business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And me see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That mean you're watching my business?
You have watch me place.
You're watching my business. Mother Jesus. 2 days. Alright. 2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them a dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I mean, no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like, oh, me Bridget. I mean, I run this at time, you know. Me never did I run this at time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. See, you not do no nails today, no money, no pedi, nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you, do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want to borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you have borrowed, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just think just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away, so you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Because I don't no money for none of them at tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Because you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say a true girl. You know, say a true, I'm going to try, man. I'm going to try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that I can't check if I do, but they say not having or something, so. We will link up, man. I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how it
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. We can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. But they are going to...
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, me there, me J.
No, you know, for the item where you bring up the sale, brother, I want good piece of food to get feet in the dog, but you know, the piece of money they have to do. Yeah, man, know yourself, alright, that's something with yo. You see another way we can make a piece more food, you know, but yo, when any man come link me, man, I would talk about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Hey, how was Sunday coming for now? Hey, babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left up, me pack up my things and left, man. Pay things are gone.
You and Kyle?
How are you there?
When your peppers are going normal, which way they? Then forward now. Forward, man. Forward. Me there. Alright, do you do, man? Forward. Me there. You can't tell me now where they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, I don't know how to go.
You know, see, there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but I want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I'm not think me come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
My pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me money.
Sandy! Come! How are you go? You don't got my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I know that's not you. What go on?
You know, so me have to left the boy. Me left him, man. Me have to pack up my something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a turn the Kyle, you're doing something good, so yeah, check.
Look here, that went good when the money did be there. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money not did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style you to style me. Hey.
Girl, right now I don't know if you don't have money for paying the rent. Your life a pressure me right now, come next time I have to go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. I put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I call up to you, you know, say me borrow your wig though, me I go in at town, go mash one crime and come back.
Really, that you ask me about, girl, I can't take you wig and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright.
Alright, cool. Right. Yeah, my friend called me.
Thanks. Come now, drink and tell me yours. But, you know, come to think about it, me hear all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, me I tell you the truth, nobody get nobody begs.
So me can go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything now. I remember say you used to tell me how he act and all these things and money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready for cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say, actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about this. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make the guy horse, you know me tan.
But me couldn't care you come this up. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care you. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a turn the Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say I sex you want him, want me sex for Hungry Belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least we know so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now see it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean your friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know, because I have to go back down with my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But that's when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that anyways. You guys your man you done go live with man and sit now go back a family had one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Connie.
Okay.
Top bad, someone. Top bad.
Chaplain.
Oh God. Yeah, man, be there. You know, say, be a sea star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, do more say no.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
You see, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Yeah, we pick you up, honestly.
Alright, cool.
Like, sitting now go on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweep me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't bother no man. Being awesome, I miss you.
Oh man.
Me don't want to go up at your hotel, it's not too far right now. We can go to beach park.
Yeah, of course.
know, say, a long time me and you link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, so not really that, man. I'm busy, you know. What does that mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pre-war about because
you don't really know what
I get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John no star. Everly. What go on? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, so making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay, okay.
I'm something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You just there?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just care.
You know, I made a rum mixture.
Alright. So my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
See I see my name on her. Look good, see if I see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a cornstone?
Hey people, we are going to see and go see what going on with them people. That's all. Officer don't know what going on.
No, but I don't know what going on.
Friend here don't know what going on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place though.
I tell you, when you come on.
Johnny, what's that?
What do you have to carry back?
We're going up there, guys. Sagad, man always not have no shot. It ain't big good. So, how are you going on, sir? Where you film?
What a movie name for you?
What you say? Hey, we follow them until we find out who are going people. Because you figure out what going on still, you know? Alright, we are follow them people.
Come on there.
Come on, don't ask to see me. Shakaberry come. Alright, so we are going to find out what going on people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. You know, I think go December, so may have milk cup here as well.
No credit.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious.
Come on.
Kemar! I'll get Kemar. Who we get hot? Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. Watch out.
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
Upon your
When I
birthday.
get a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It has been horrible. But guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
Which acting?
Yeah, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk about no pit, but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket for go over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right.
So you gonna suit up this evening before you go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are gonna see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham.
And yes, so too.
Richard Brown Films and
yeah, so that video where them I watch, them for subscribe, yes, so too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you gonna make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive go?
This is the hungry thing.
Me not hear curious I say you need there now, sir.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of act.
You come right now?
I don't know. Where you gonna buy food?
Hunger.
Where you get food?
It's being hungry.
You rob somebody there? Alright, where you get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people will get food in case curious not stop. We up there so we get some food and come back.
Agent.
Me not top video you know ever. Not top video. Cause I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask, who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me.
Yeah, but that's all new people I know every time I subscribe.
New people now?
All the while, they always
You
subscribe.
tell me?
Yeah, because always I tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show me earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got.
I made that wait for me. Come on, road.
Are you
Hungry.
married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Alright, that's
How we are asking them married? You still not drive it? Road. Later. So them are my boss, you say I want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, straight up. Shakaberry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know your name, people. Alton, this film. Rastaman.
So far there?
Kind of mal out, isn't it?
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. We are forward go.
Talk to her.
Carry over this and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, where forward.
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work up before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic.
Coming from afar, we have to park the car. Yeah.
Oh, guys, a fun
So quick shoot before food. So Alton, tell me about your plans for locks, you know. And turn real Rasta, man.
Don't have the jet. This is not a humility.
So yeah, people, big boy, I plan to make one little transformation.
Yeah. I mean, we don't want hungry. We want hungry belly Rasta now too. A Rasta now hungry, you know. Oh, too much food there. A Rasta be hungry.
Selassie, I know.
Food there to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt. Watch him.
You want out?
I'm not so great. Where do you carry? No, no, road. Come on, carry. Right now, your bag, can your bag roll? Some things in it? No. You should have one bag. Alright.
Hold up. Where do I get that?
Huh? What is that? So you go carry a bag, give me a bag. Make sure you are coming with it. You are coming with everything. You are alone and coming with everything. So you are coming in the bag and now. You're in the road. Me in the road, man. I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You have to go to the road. You go to the car. The car will come in. Me and say, yo, here what? You hungry? I guess I may have to see if I can get something to eat. But the boy come out there, like you want to pull my foot, pull over the side of the road or whatever. She come. She goes, well, you can't imagine so. And say, hungry man, hungry. So they have sitting there where you have. I say, yo, come out, step them and sit and come out the road. It's all right, come out the road. That's it, man. That's not really a showcase for people. Yeah? Yeah, come see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, I can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you go for candy with it, you don't take it from there. You understand? Yes. You just push out. Mommy later. I lost money having this, so go and go look up girl and save her life. Yeah, but you get the chiropractor next month. I say you know all about it. In the last month, when I didn't know you remember save that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me that more than the man just came out. You struggle with two back get one. You look at what is the habit to my lab. And you're gone. Hungry, man. You have come out that car now. Yes. Really?
Come out the road, man. Let me say that. Yeah, come back.
Take us some food. Some food. Food. Food, man. Food. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry, man. Hungry. Food.
Come out the road. Come out the road.
I saying this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man say no, come out the road.
Hold on. You been here, Karen? Come on. Come out there. Come out the road, King. How you the road?
Hungry, daddy. How much you want to buy?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So good afternoon. What time of day is it now? I'm not going to waste no time. I find one nice young lady to talk to, so we're inquisitive in our business. Because she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team, so we're going to fast in our business, find out what we can about her. So there she is, people. The beautiful Amanda. So Amanda, where are you from, first of all?
I'm from Clarendon.
Where in Clarendon?
Maybe in Clarendon, I stay in Maypin sometimes, and I place named Jamesville sometimes.
Alright, because I know say your friends say Clarendon, whole heap of people over here say Clarendon bad place. So, I just go allow the person who come from Clarendon to tell me about them experience with Clarendon. So, make we begin right there. Tell me about Clarendon, where
Clarendon
you
no bad. Clarendon no bad.
Hold on. Oh boy, me wouldn't defend my place, so, but me different. But I guess everybody else are different in place regardless. But,
every time when you keep up the topic.
But alright, hold on now. Clarendon don't bad. Zine, tell me some of my good things about Clarendon.
Good things them.
Talk loud so them can hear.
Good things about Clarendon now. I enjoy Clarendon peace. To me, when you say bad no bad. I live at one place, quiet and safety. You're not in a trouble, you're in a wrongdoings. So, if anybody will not do that, you're not going to find it's a bad place.
Alright then, but you would agree, so Clarendon are one of them places where we have be a sickhead people. You don't agree with that though, not true?
Clarendon's a no
I can't beat it. Your place you have to defend your
Clarendon
place.
a no nonsense place. I just that about it. I don't want bad place.
Alright, cool. Well, come on for the Clarendon thing now. So, movies. How long have you been passionate about acting and doing movies?
Passionate. From high school days.
What high school was that?
I attended Edwin Allen High School.
Edwin Allen?
Yes, the Edwin Allen High School.
So them have like drama class and them so on?
Yes, theater art.
So you have no training or no program for acting when you usually go on?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that now.
Normally go JCDC
Mm-hmm.
for acting. Go JCDC for dancing. Edwin Allen have a whole combination of things to itself. One of the best school, Edwin Allen.
Alright, that is debatable because mother said man in school are the best school in the world. Me have to defend my school, I'm to you.
Yeah, idiot.
Me have to defend my school. Alright, tell me what makes your school Edwin Allen so special. What makes Edwin Allen the best school in Jamaica? Tell me. May I get an opportunity? Tell me.
Edwin Allen, they have a great team, a great staff to help all kids and every kids. You understand? Everything combined at Edwin Allen. Opportunities at Edwin Allen. When you go, you take up your book and you have a talent, you have a skill, then push you. Then you just make you stay at one place.
Alright, so you see how the staff at Edwin Allen now make Edwin Allen the best high school. Alright, cool. Me would say the reason why man in school are the best is because not just the culture, as in say be a white pitney used to go there and the history and we don't beat it, we have to defend with things. So, alright, you started at Edwin Allen. After there, you do any kind of acting apart from with Richard Brown?
No, I didn't.
So, last question now, before I make you just go down in anything, tell you about your Instagram and all of that. How has the experience been for you with Richard Brown? How has the experience been from you just got here until now?
The experience was amazing. Everybody work as one, you don't feel left out. You just come like one family. You're comfortable, you can be yourself, because in acting you just can't be yourself. And you can be yourself in a Richard Brown film.
I like how that sound. I think we have one last question. Oh, your Instagram. Tell your Instagram.
You can follow me on IG on Jessica Thomas 3695.
Alright, I hear that, people. So I don't know if I left out no question. Oh, you have one man? No people want to know that.
If me have one man,
yeah.
Man shot. Me don't have no man now. Jamaica man just
You're single now?
Yeah, single.
What? Me knows you know. Why you single?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going on business no man.
Me not going to further than that. I just want to know, as me certain people in my watch, I want to know why you're single.
Single because I'm single. I'm in a relationship.
Alright, Amanda, but I don't pressure you no longer. Thank you for coming out here with me. Like the people and see you hug me up. I'm going to get a nice hug up from Amanda. The nice background. And you plan to come back on some acting?
Of course, most definitely.
She'll leave today, so I'm going to miss her already. You make no friends? Tell them about the friend them you make.
Meet Bieber.
You meet Rastafari. Tell them about Bieber.
Bieber straightforward. Otherwise, as Eve, straightforward. Jovial. You can't run Bieber and you have one face like this. You get no problem.
But differently do you know, sometimes I can't stand her. Sometimes I can't stand her.
If you can't stand her, you sit her. Because you have to just live with it or you're dead with it.
When you say I can't stand her, I sit her.
You sit her. If you can't stand her, you just sit her.
I love her, man. I IG that. Bieber, big up yourself. So, when you hear from the nice Amanda, how long she has loved acting, where all that I come from, and hold on there. Pull that something upon me there. Let me see who this is calling me. Mr. Richard Brown himself. What you say now, Mr. Brown?
I'm trying to say.
Up a golf course. Yeah, alright, we're soon forward now. So, Mr. Richard Brown on the phone, people. I don't want to bust a game. So thank you. Yeah, I do one video, but we are going to use the night same. Can you call me and I make live video? Alright, we are forward right now. Mr. Brown can't hurry me. I'm not going nowhere, right? That's how we are still. Tell them to subscribe, Amanda.
Can.
Tell them to subscribe to Akin. Then we do it if you tell them.
Subscribe to Akin.
And like the video, yeah.
Share, comment, support. Just support the team. Everybody I trying people.
And we'll get some banger photos video right here so you know before you go. So look. How that look?
Right there.
Yeah. So tell them boy, come now, come back on the camera. See you next time. A joke. And thank you people, thank you for 3,000 plus subscribers. Don't worry on yourself. I have entertaining stuff coming up. I don't want to say full length movies because I don't tell you how that go in our previous videos, but stay tuned for some entertaining, immersive content later.
When night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to get money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
Let's see it.
Check. Check, you really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. Well,
time.
2 pairs. This is where I've been fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm not wrong with truth or dare, you know. You sure you can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you wanna go first then? Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you're that so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they follow you, so you'd have put it on them?
Well,
right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes. Papi, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George. I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dare now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital.
He's had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step? I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know I say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You want to have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, we wait on the food. I guess we know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember some have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell you something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games and it was all over, but I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! Good brain. Good.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house and there's no food. So I'm kinda stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple of days now, so can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is okay?
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
So you can believe the Brad actually put me out? Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
Go. Big up on yourself. Now, yes, I know it done too quick, but this is the longest one so far, and because we get a little bit more support each time, yeah, we try to limit the amount of people that we use because, as I say, the resources. So, yeah. Me now, I tell yourself, for your first time over here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're there for a long time, just, you know, leave a like on the video. And if it's your first time to leave a like, do all the good things them to make the video get more traction, so, you know, you can afford to probably turn this into a series. And until then, little more. And big up the members them. I'm encouraging more people to become members. Please, there will be a link in the description. Until now, or until then, just do a little more. Yes. Action.
I got a dare to get.
No, yeah.
Say, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Action.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go.
Action.
Yeah.
Action. Action.
So, you know, natural.
Wait, that was too quick. That was too quick. Yeah, that was too quick, Akin.
You see what you're like, oh.
Alright, in that case, truth or dare? No, it's your turn.
Ready?
So, yeah, that.
Don't know, because if you look funny, you have to know, man.
No,
Alright.
I don't know.
Go make.
Papa, run for now.
No, make that stitch it.
No, man, just run more and catch you run. Run too.
Oh, but you shot or show so.
How if you show from so far?
Left it shot, man. Man, have you show up shot, man.
Alright, show up your shot and come back.
Shoot that part here.
Come on.
Use piece of close pin and pin up. No ball.
Come back right here. So hold him up first and then let him go. Come back right here. I'll the hide hand. No, Alton, come back and see the brother. Come here. Alton, just turn over to him. Start press to hold you up. You don't need to go back there. Come back here. Come hold him up.
Take a lunch, Jonas.
What? What?
No bother start. Just catch you one.
Come hold him back here. Come hold him up, Alton. I waste the time to show back at time.
I don't know, waste of time. Just get you something.
So I'm saying, you make you hold your back.
Alton,
I'll catch it close, look how wide me shoot a while ago, just make you hold your back, no man.
Alton,
Alton, feel good, okay, best. You feel good. No, you don't feel no best. You have a feeling. But what? Belly to breast.
Alton.
Right, Alton, tell me that's a big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy. I said about that too much.
Say that's my name.
Yeah, but a big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah, come, get closer, come.
Top one, someone.
Alright.
Don't look for it.
Stop laugh. I'm going to get nervous.
No. You can't make it like a blood clot. No, but you want to look for him. Look for you. Ready?
Come, you can talk to him. Let him hug him up and let him go and talk to you.
Run
if you don't talk to him, no, you grab him back.
Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long America. You can't do it.
Me have key already.
That's a key and come to me, man.
No, you look yourself. No look.
You body him up, you know.
Yo, you're dead now, you know.
You can't.
You know. When you see me not running now, where we not going to dumb bar board? I'm here there now, you know. Just here take it up.
Body,
I'm here there. I'm the one coming off here, you know. Yo, which can they have? I'm going to mash up around here.
Don't tell about Kira.
I tell you, man, I'm going to mash up our candy, you know. You know me? Aye.
Flank
you know,
badness.
I let me out of saying.
I mean, I'm blah.
Blow.
From Flanka, you're bad girl.
Yeah, man. Step on, but not laugh. If you laugh, you're not going to afraid of you.
Flanka. You got Flanka. What he had?
Flanka, bad place, but you call it.
What he had?
We have something to say. We have body more.
Why you know? You might run. When do I while ago? You wanna hide never there? You wanna hide?
Yes.
When I got where you? Yeah, when I call you, where you wanna hide? Yo, what? When I look good? Dutty dog, me look good. Me no run for me, you know, yo, me say, yo, me run the place, I'm in blood, you know, me no mash up out here, you know. Yo, listen, it's fun, come up now, I'm here dead. Yeah, I'm here dead. So when I see you, when I call you, you come. You need to come check me too. I don't need to come and come check for you, and more you come check for me, because I'm mash up brother. Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have to walk to look for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body him up,
man. Because I can make you know,
we know you bad up people, you know.
You ready? Body him up. Let's go.
Richie, you spoon in your phone now.
Eh?
You spoon in your iPhone, make you video.
Don't catch this.
Oh, you don't successfully. Go for it.
Don't catch what?
I tell Akim don't catch this.
I'll be any sins, madam.
Let's go.
What me not to catch?
You come with a catch yourself.
This, don't catch this.
Show him a show somebody.
Large pot.
Like that. Like dropping. I'll show you like Lady can't manage that now. That time, let's go.
Lady, me gonna give you a piece of insurance. You might get it on the year.
Voilà. You know, man. Take it to them now. Go back all night. Go back all night. Start back over. Just take it back over. You come on the corner. Just hold it about. You know matter. Just one. Come on the corner. Don't make no mistake. Don't make no mistake.
Yeah, better start back for
No, go back. No mistake. Don't make no mistake. One chop. Come. You know we are there. We need to tell you to do again. And if you shut up, my mother, just grab me in the chest. Remember the whole thing is, you know, if you hide find enough, run for you and him die now. You know, we say one time, take a time, say, come run for him now. Okay, I look for your man. Hold on. Let's run on. So, let me tell you my story. Let me tell you, we cut. No cut no time. Let's take no break. Now look one number, the 2 yards. Stop. If you feel like you look in there, Richie, no cut. Yeah, it's straight. So you know which direction you look. You know, sometimes I like it to look by you, and now look by you. Wipe off your lens. Wipe off your lens.
No cut here, here, Spoony.
Don't stop record, just record. Subscribe.
Big up yourself in general.
Subscribe. Blow. Ask me, say, so what you want to name in that movie? I say, blow. So, blow, no. Blow. Come on, ready? Ready? No laugh. Big boy. Me tell you, hold on. The van there pass. You pass.
Commander look like he have money, boy.
Ready now, action.
Big boy. Come on, man. We are running, boy. Come on, man. Come. We are running, boy.
Blow. Relax the blow.
When we come back now, you know, and we see me here for names down here. Eh? We Kira. Hey, boy, know what you do, you know, boy. Know what you do. They come back now, you know. I what? Eh? Me don't look good. You don't see me bleach out. Me black when me left here, you know. We come back for you now. So try to let the girl say left. And me mash up for you in the face. You know what I say? And yo, you know where me live? Don't make me come look for you. You see next time? Man, hey, know what you do. You hear me? Relax up, bro. Don't ball to me, man. Yo, there's know what you do. You hear me say? A flank can come from, you know? You're a bad girl. You're a rampant man. Yeah. Yeah, so try run with the girl then.
Yeah, no, we know you try out. So,
I'm here then now.
No, so you look
I'm here now.
Hug me up. Hug me back, come on. Hug me back, come on. You're walking with you. I hold on and swing. Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
I'm send me a shop. Yo, you're coming here. No, later go shop for me.
Yo. I'm here then now, you know. So you and that the girl and no more relationship. I'm here there. Yo, come on. Come on, don't yard with it. Come on, boy. Come on. I shop yard with it. I shop there, but mommy sent me a shop. Come on, boy. Send me a shop. Come on, don't yard.
I'm sorry, I'll tell you the guy see you. Come back. We're walking to my you see more name people around the channel, man. Yeah, that more do, but everybody let me have to shoot it close. Come back. Stop walking up on the man, you're tired for your cut and come on, people are going to walk. I say,
Stay behind the camera, just stand behind the camera.
No, brother, if you know so me I shoot, brother. Tired, hang her up, I'll tell foolishness, boy. Come again.
Come on.
See, they will have momentum, God. Come again, come again, come again.
Now I have to turn back the camera here.
We don't come on. We don't come. Then I have to pull him in now. After the command.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on.
Stop there, sir. No, stop, sir. You go outside. You're chicken now. Chicken move. You have a chicken now. One peepee. One peepee, blah, blah, blah. Piss by you now. Are you going to go here? You can't go my yard. You have to come back over here, sir. You're using friend of yours now.
Who that?
Papai.
Papai.
Chucky.
Oh, Chucky.
Yeah.
Go call Chucky.
Go call Chucky.
I don't want to Chucky.
Move. Come on, outside. Make him go first. Make him go to my yard first. When you to my yard first, you know, go. Everybody come over here. Everybody come over here. Where's the way to do yours? After I run, go my yard, I know. After that, no. Papa, go over there, leave him. That's the one go on. So what, you call out, actually call out Papa? No. She go down there, a bleach pan him. And say, Papa, walk fast over there. And he say, now, come on, brace idea. So then Papa come back home and come and say, come over here. Now go here to sun tie, then we play then. But then come on with someone who will tell you, say, yo. Mama, I will Papa know and say, yo. What big boy? Yeah, but that's sometimes I work for you know. Boy, call what's that, I never see you about it. Yes, sir, it's bad, Papa, I say, it's bad thing now, you bad, Papa. Yeah, say, no, I blow. I touch my bro now, you know. And Papa remember him now, say, blow. Let's eat the ball the time we go to school and take a lunch money and say, right here, we take that cops. Come back. So we want to know, you are a big boy. So if you're a big boy, are you, you know? Come back, if you want me, if you're there, we can't allow big boy alone me there, you know, because one man. Yeah, man, you get big boy. You know, you get big boy, go for big boy, please. Go up. Cool, we have it there. Then he said, no, just keep it coming from wherever we are going, so you can't roll. No, it's rules now.
Behind the scenes,
yeah, you cannot do it.
Oh, you can't do so behind the scenes.
Alright, you know, when you be dry, I like to treat yourself, don't tell us you don't come and get it.
I'm going to make it quiet.
How much you for? Huh?
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be out there. Go on and come on, you're right by you, boy. So allow me out to start with.
Alright, just something there.
All up on people.
Don't move on, don't move. No, man, come back, make it sharp. Sorry, come back and that door. Go back same place. Go. Come back. Subscribe to people to our worship. Bye-bye.
Hurry up. Now wait for you, boy. So long we talk about wait for you. So long. All the people, boy. I just want to try to come on, run off.
Here we are.
I'm run off.
Don't run off. To the right, just. Yes, you run off. That boy, big boy.
Yeah.
And call out Chucky. I know, Chucky have to come at the same time. Chucky! Yes, so you show. One Papa come at the same time.
Papa, la paille.
Papa, we are the so. Alright, my laptop online. As you put in Dutty.
Check last thing that I'm buying. I'm going to do that phone.
Oh, let me phone this time.
Finish school.
I get the one from there. I'll check out if you want. How much you got on phone for a fight? Not iPhone, man. No, my phone. Like Samsung. Ready? Come, over here. Yeah.
Oh, I go out there, so. Yes, come. So, wait, swallow you. What is that?
Come on, you can't tell me to say no.
This is a laugh. You ready?
Touch up on the
Alton Garden. How which one a big boy them this?
Ready?
So people, they are going to update. Like Masika say, give them an update. So I guess it's a season 2 a big boy. Woman a fight over Chucky, so Chucky finally get a girlfriend as one did want. See people, remember to subscribe, AV channel, always are going to the latest where Richard Brown Films, Jamwood City, Paradise Nation, all of the latest. So I'm going to call this now. Kind of perspective, this first person perspective.
Make it do the same time. Make it do the same time.
Them a fight. When them a fight over Chucky. I don't know what to about now fight over man. Come again. Where Jutta?
If you put that in part there, you say, you remember what you do? I say, hey boy.
Where Jutta? Where Jutta? Jutta! Oh, you're on there. Come again. Come. Chucky,
I've never seen these actresses before, people. So I guess them new in our place.
When they come, so you want to come, I want to out there fight over. One can say Chucky, two can say Chucky one time. One can say Chucky one time. Chucky! What's the Chucky?
I'm sorry, Richard Brown, little brother, this is Spoonie. Alton Garden, don't know, cousin to Richard Brown.
Come again.
Oh.
See people, season 2, big boy.
Ready?
I cannot fight this as still.
But when I'm two years, I want you to fight over. Come. Jump,
Wait. When I do it, then two want to look up same time one to say Chucky one time. Yeah? Chucky one time.
What's the
So Chucky.
Chucky.
Right.
One time,
Action.
But when I'm 2 years, fight over. Chucky.
No. Pause. We need to stop fighting. Chucky.
Some kind of fight.
Girl, what you want to eat?
Papa, what they must do?
They must fight over the good something.
No people that may watch me at all.
Oh, subscribe me people. Subscribe. See this nice pretty girl over here? Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, them a fight over?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know they will fight over me for.
Just to confirm, this is season 2, big boy, right?
Yeah, but we don't know which part in season 2. But it's season 2 coming to you guys. And we are not going to stop it. We are going to give it to you.
Alright, my boss.
Wait.
One, two, three, Chucky. 1, 2, 3, Chucky. Ready? Alright, ready, fight.
Pass your sweat.
1, 2, 3, Chucky.
Chucky.
Still a fight. No, still a fight. Alright, stop.
Alright, listen to me.
You look somewhere there, so make it tired.
What kind of food do you want? Chicken? Breast? Leg and thigh?
Miss Shakaberry Madness. Don't know if you have a YouTube channel for yourself as well, people, so I can go over there go show her some love. Recently celebrated her birthday as well.
Sir!
Good.
Don't worry.
Come in,
Don't worry.
You can't do this, Papa. You know what you fight, see me?
Yes, you're fighting. That's how our movie do. That's how our movie do. You have to be there.
How this?
No, we just wake up.
Oh, the God.
Nice. Action, fight.
Papa, I can't find him, Daddy.
Dutty! Wow, I'm tell you. When did I pass? You really feel. Dutty!
Alright, it look like they find him now, people. Oh, see you not this one.
Come on, fight. Big girl, let me fight. Fight, Daddy. Hurry.
I don't know you. I don't know how to put it. No, you have to ask fire woman to say.
Beat them. If something happen, I say throw some water.
No, man.
That's up here.
If you don't listen to fire say, now I got tie up good, man. I have to listen to fire say, brother. But I don't know what you say.
Just Papa sit and beat them. No.
No, make an ask fire, man. You ask fire, you're right here, man.
Are you
Curious is the master of stories. You understand, Alton?
Huh?
Curious is the master of stories, so tie up the stories.
Yeah. But at him say time, so you don't know what you say.
Let me come back and
It's still a nice shot, man. You can still a nice shot.
You come and part them, Shaka go come back out and shop and say, yeah man, you're not woman man, you have to do better than that and Twitter run them.
You say, you know what?
You tell them, you're not woman and you're woman, you don't look good.
So the next amazing thing about being in this space when they're filming, guys, is that, you know, myself as a filmmaker, I can learn. So whenever mistakes are made, you can learn from those mistakes. And of course, a whole heap of things I learn. I learn a lot of things whilst in this space that I will not be able to disseminate right now, but definitely in the future, man. So make sure you subscribe over here and to Lux Movie Channel. Like shooting boat to start again.
Papa, if you say anyone I don't know when only I get me.
Daddy tell them anyone of them win and them a make me. What me want the bag of one win.
You ready? Alright, right this way, right this way. Right. Alright, that's a very nice.
Alright.
Hold on. Go across the car. Come on.
Come on, man. You can understand. You must conduct it. What about the child? Conduct it.
Jutta, you there front? Jutta, you are there front. Fight. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't do that. You can't, my gonna say I take care of girl, you.
Yes, any one of them win daddy, but we don't want it.
Any one of them, no man, no go on no man. You girl, don't come back.
Wait.
No.
Come on, stages, man.
That's it, it's too short. No.
Fight, you come break up a fight.
Yeah, I want to fight for you.
Hold this. Come break up a fight. Another. Hold them so there. I said, girl, I come fight for my man. I really can't sit over there. You sit over there.
Actually, it's a bit too far out that camera.
Look at me. Don't tap that, man. I know I'm a one boy, I feel proud as a father, you know. And as I go out. Where you live? You go, sir.
What's Shaka?
Son, you go and say no.
Son.
Enough of fight.
Alright, come on, ready. Come, Papa. Come, Papa.
You can say me there with him from his birthday. When he come over, you're there with him from his birthday. You there with him from before him born. Yeah? You ever say? You know say that. Come.
Yeah,
come again.
We talk about 49 too.
Come again, fight.
So director, Mr. Garden.
Me catch up. We can't stand up at the door and look. Run back. Fight, man. Literal fight. You know what? More energy night, man. Let me say action, more energy night. Go on more, Jutta. Walk up, man. Jutta. Walk up. Ready go. Walk up, Jutta. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't fight my youth. I wanna do that. Yeah, you can't do that, man. Yeah. Yo, I'm a son still, I'm feel proud now, but you can't. But you say I take care of girl in my youth.
Yeah, take care, but we don't want this one.
Yo, you can't.
Stop, don't
You can't say no one this one.
What on, Fanan?
Yeah.
School move. You are going to say though, me there with him from Chucky's birthday and he come and want to take me, man. That's all it is.
Go see him. Yeah.
Look on him. Hungry. Yeah, just
me, I have blow too.
Yes, me there with him from
his birthday.
Me there with him from his birthday and the girl want to take me, man.
Yeah.
I have blue and
Simple.
tired.
Simple.
Ready?
Simple.
Ready.
You're tired, you know.
You're fair blow, yeah.
Just
yeah,
done
yeah,
fight.
serious. Ready.
Ready. Give me a look, man. You're mad, you know. I'm not telling
Me there with him for his birthday and the girl walk out take me, man.
You girl, you can't do that, man.
Me there with him for his yard.
You know. Hungry, man. Hungry yourself.
A girl, you're mad.
You are lick again.
Temper overeating. Oh, calm down, man.
But me there with him for his born.
Yo, hear me, master. You go. Yeah.
Me know it too on there with him.
Yeah.
Wait. But you know look good. Wait. Understand? I'm a boy, I love him, proud of him. Come again. Bring them closer. Action.
You're not fair fight, man. I'm a boy, you know. I feel proud of you.
With the energy, no, man. You have to keep up with the energy. No, don't say no. Just that.
Punch you, basically.
Energy, man. Energy.
You want me case for the pink, man.
One more clap, paint that up. Come on. Come again. Your father, I know, man. Ready?
I'm done, man. I'm a son still, you know. I'm a proud of him still, but you're not fine.
Sabron, how are you going, sir?
Alright, so basically what we are doing, apart from all the great films that we put on Richard Brown Films, we just came up with the idea that we might just start doing some films where we can put out faster so people can get them to watch. They're called uncut. They're not as polished and as well shot as the other films. We just boom, put them together and put them out. But you don't know, uncut, Richard Brown Films.
Alright, cool. I will see what going on. So I make a run with the woman around in the house a while ago, so.
She want to lick me.
Oh,
My mother, she want to beat me out.
Oh, cool.
Beat life out of me.
So I'm
Richard,
unruly daughter, no joke.
And Shammy hood.
So daughter you get, daddy you get for your genes from, not mommy do.
You thickness and everything.
Yeah.
Father side.
Yeah.
Father. And the unruly. Mommy, I love you. Love you too, Dasha. Thank you. The flower.
Put your on us.
I'm not ready for you yet, mama.
Are you going to pick up?
Ain't good, man. That's one I saw go on. Big boy out the entire.
Heavy?
Alright. Yeah, we are shoot big boy.
Who's so pretty? Eh? Who's so pretty? Eh? Who is this?
Hey girl, come on. Come on. Come back in a ramp here, ramp with the thing. Come here. You can't keep with that well, keep with that while ago. No, it can't make sense. Don't do that, man. Don't play the game. Look what, who there on the phone boss if you take advantage of with you?
But me pop one bigger stick. I am pop one little stick.
There. Shoot that ball. You know, keep a real man. But do keep with something that makes sense, man. And then after it's a girl, go and shop.
Murder him.
So they shop now.
That's how you can go to Popeye.
And make it go to Popeye. Make a ball go to yard, make it make sense, man. Not play me.
Go back and shoot that time.
You buy stuff, you put on nails pan her. For your birthday, make it. You put on nails pan for your sweet 16. Sweet 16. That's it. What you say? 17 also. But you're actually 16.
So and I pass by do it for him. And I pass a man or D can do it. Wait. Come on, say I have enough money now. No, but watch out now. See car now. You want me to charge drive us up? Go on by pastor and come back. When I'm done, we put up the
Get the paper you sign.
Yeah, make it. No, the pastor say you want the service upon your yard. Go put
Church service.
Church service. You want private service. No, yo, they tell the pastor about you know. And the pastor want you up there to count for you.
I'm praying for you.
Yeah. The pastor go on, the pastor carry the jam and pick up you.
That she I go say, your mother.
Correct
But
the
I
pastor.
Come in.
Go change that video, man. Alright, so shoot back at
So I go on here, so. One person missing. People will see if we can find her. Which part she a hide? Hello? Miss in the dark. Give me some light. Contact the people, man. Come to, alright? Feel sick? Come to. Come to light. You just look in the dark, so. You know, sweat and all these things. You sure, alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. Tata. Who? No, sure, that's us still.
Oh, which one? Yeah, man, I could buy more board party, so I can't say yo, yeah. If my thing got a 2 week and it don't work out because I can't.
Taylor. Where you going?
Nobody now come too small and then nobody now rush them to done because they know the COVID they are rough.
Taylor.
Girl, catch up, Matthew.
Come here, come.
Alright, come. Change fast. Change your clothes. We can't send out your pasta. How are you pasta? Papa, can't be pasta.
Paul, if me hear name, plant up more than pasta.
Where you say? Where you say?
You can't climb up on, but you do. You do.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, climb up on back. Climb up on back. Lego show Hakim so you can Lego.
Yeah, man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it.
Bye. Choco.
No, it's like I want you to.
So where am I going to the pastor? Like somebody still I get more beaten. So Karen I show now I go and go to some update to I go on in the Richard Brown films and all.
And you know, because grandpa don't talk, you know, because if grandpa talk, me tell grandma, say me think I'm young girl.
You're informer. I want informer little baby.
That's how we tell when we young.
Move with the little looks, the little cheat.
So you don't know some nooks. You don't know if you're a picnic, you're a big girl. Oh, me look at nooks.
Don't talk
You
back.
work, no, me look at nooks work.
Don't talk back to me.
Papa, what is happening? Explain to me what is happening.
I'm acting like a kid.
Hi, Tavisha.
I'm a teenager. I'm acting like a 10-year-old.
Oh, sorry, I missed what you said.
I'm acting like a kid in a movie, like a 10-year-old. I don't know how I'm pulling it, when I'm pulling it.
Oh,
Because maybe me a person of fun joy, I can change my character, you know? I can be an old man, I can be a young, decent man, I can be a kid, yeah, you name it.
You can do roles outside of comedy, right?
Yeah, I can do roles.
But you ever play in a role like that where no comedy none at all?
Well, I try it in action, but sometimes you have to get jokes the same way.
No, I say if you have movies out there where no comedy, serious, just serious.
Oh, one by one.
Or one by one.
Outside of? No. Oh, it's not one by one. It's what's his name? I can't remember that.
I carelessness.
Shame of myself.
I carelessness.
No, not carelessness. Is it serious? Is it business? Something with business. I think you guys watch it on Jamaican, but I still give a little joke, but I show my serious side in it.
Okay, alright, my boss. Nasty puff. I go down your side again, people.
Welcome to Jamaican Entertainment. We are here live. Start here look pregnant. That's your life.
That's your story, man. That's your story. Like the first half foot, can carry you up to one and just drop you off.
Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Hey, she gone over. Hey.
No, that video over there, video, man. Do that over there. I'll teach him that to dance. So when he broke up, now you have to broke. I teach you to dance or something.
You know, you can't do this, Elicamis.
Oh, you much on girls.
Oh, son. I go on with my general.
Yeah, man, I go on now.
Yeah, anytime I have a camera on I start talking, it's like I get nervous, man. I don't know what I do, general. What I go on with you? What I go on with you? When I reach 100,000, I know my boss.
Yes, congratulations to the whole Richard Brown family and the whole team, you know. I know it's nothing normal, Jamwood Entertainment. Congratulations, reach 100,000 now. Now we are going for $1 million.
Okay.
Right?
Not even 500,000, 1 million straight.
1 million, right.
Alright.
So we stop say 100,000, we start say $1 million. And now, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.
And check out the Big Boy movie on your channel.
Yeah, check out the Big Boy uncut. People, this is a different type of thing, you know. This is an uncut version. You're not going to see shot this or shot this or shot this. So this is just uncut. So just raw uncut talents right now we are dealing with.
Okay.
You see me? Normal. So check it out, man, and do the right thing and normal.
Alright, my general.
Curious, but you don't have to show somebody who be past the car can't drive up.
You can't drive up, but you have to be better get the pass now.
Hakeem, could I leave?
You might have to pass up a shoot.
What me? Official pastor?
You never pass a long time.
No, I have to shoot my good man, no uncut business. Shoot with angle.
Uncut, when the blood clot place now. You're watching up.
Uncut.
How much which you there? 9,000. 9,000 my watch now. 3,000, 9,000 for 3 days. I just took this man and got 10,000.
I say uncut.
And you use them on this show because I have asked you. Comments tonight go longer. Whoever paragraph.
Yeah, have some long comments.
Because when you do the story with substance, if you go comment with substance, then can't say I and boom and bam jump and bam shell. You have to write out.
Banger. Banger. Boom shell. Banger shell. Ilya, you come to shoot. You finish with it? Yeah, but why not have no slippers, Leah?
I said, I don't know my yard.
You want the place wet?
No, we put food.
Hello, behave yourself.
The substance on the earth now,
the mineral good, but when the place is wet and you walk up in it, that is sick.
Nah, sick though.
Yo.
Let me tell you why.
So I can't get to know one call, can
you know when I get this thing with you, it's on the south of myself, it's sick. You want to run up and down in the mud so hard that you sick.
No, when me ready, me walk barefoot enough to get my
once a while you walk barefoot, you will
no, man, walk barefoot all the while in my yard. When me
Go
there,
in and go to the
barefoot.
Richie.
No, what a joke you
Yo, me know say
Richie, yeah, there, yeah, Richie.
You see a man time before me come out.
You better go and walk with Richie.
Yo, me can't walk out of so barefoot, me I tell you.
You walk barefoot all the while, brother.
Me can't do it a bumper. Can't do it, man can take me off the advance. You think my foot then ugly, my foot then ugly. Just can't wear look, foot then ugly.
I lie.
Boss, I show you in toe them.
Then ugly.
Tell me how Alton toe them looking at the comments, people.
Ready, man.
Alright, ready, let's go. Let's have a kind of some shooting up. First time there now. Come on.
Come on.
You gonna check side, you gonna check Papa already.
Yeah, you gonna beat up Papa.
And then do a good line. And fuck, go now the man.
Probably fuck
This
around.
time the man. No, Ram, yo, me have to
Come out and make me shoot.
Right, change this.
Come in, honest, I drive.
Alright. Woman, go on the phone. Go on the phone. Look at miss, go on your phone, look at miss. I'm talking to pastor. Right now, me look at daughter down here, give me a beer problem. Go change the clothes.
You need prayer.
Me just change me clothes.
Not you, she shall change her clothes, just come back. Yeah.
What chair did you write this up?
Oh, you want to say it to?
Where? Go for it. I don't know why they...
I'm a dog, I'm a go feed in and so them I go back up there use it.
So why they lift you up this up? I need it.
So I want to find it. Good. Look up the tie. Look up the tie.
My cousin.
We done with the shop.
What?
Eh?
What? Can't go to Alton. Sweaty, I love your outfit where you come out in. You like the nice little sunshine baby for true. I like where you have on, you come out today and daddy apart. Eh? Yeah. You can't go to Alton.
Big boy sweating.
Working. Right?
I went now,
Right?
what about there now? Want to know?
Yeah.
Start shoot
Yeah.
Oh, people, I'm gonna check out public report on Instagram.
Start shooting, start shooting.
Start shooting phone call.
So, I'm going to drive going now.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, alright, wait.
She's going to be a thing start. So they come check my life. We start from school and I don't want to go walk on footstep. Yes, I look a birthday.
You used to dance from phone?
See. We dance from phone. Party, you know, back in the
The
days.
fuck?
Before you start, when you're a preacher, you
What?
come and go and save me. You know? And to start something, man, you have words, you words. Yeah, you understand? And it's jog the time when you're a pastor are easy.
I just say, I look come here, try to lead her
A different life, yeah, and I try to change girl. The girl, birthday come up, me at her out and put her in up nails. And don't you look like you?
Pastor like big woman.
Go and say, yeah, the phone, put him on the phone.
Fall far from
Put him on the phone.
Chick no fall far from the block.
You know what I talk on the phone?
I mean, I want to jump off her head, jump off her shoulder.
Go over in the yard now. Go over in the yard and come for the phone. Tap on the phone then.
Oh, the blouse and skirt are going, that's it.
Guys, you used to dance one full and your daughter cut down for it. How we get it from?
Where am I get it from here?
Yeah, alright.
Yo, go put on, where's the girl? Hey, I'm not like talking too long, man. If you can't fight us, stay inside then.
Sunfly start biting? Look at Miss One go and can't go home.
Hello. Yes, blessed sister. Anyhow, Pastor here. Pastor there. Hello, Pastor here. Yeah, what's up? They said, look how cute, what's your name? Cutie. Cutie?
Papa, we catch you and a voice note.
A lie.
Later. Come on, pick up yourself. So, she had talked to the pastor. I'm not curious on the phone.
I'm scared. Scared on the road. You know what I mean? I'm scared on the road. This is like smoke and cigarette and weed. And she not see me now. And she had to tell me to a friend. Like, she just go on town. You know what I mean? I don't want to know.
Yeah, man, enough self. Oops. Jaja, do you guys recognize this system here? Oh, that's how I make the noise. I'm not an Apple fan nor a Mac fan, but the screen resolution and the colors are amazing. That machine right there. Oh. Car keys.
Right now, you go to put it on the mother and they are not up there now. We have enough time to give her some service. You know what I mean? I'm sitting around here. Make she behave herself. Alright? Line her up right now. Pastor, come here and tell her that anything I say, you must do. Right? Talk to her before the come in, you know. But tell her there, put her in her mind.
What going on?
She in her mind.
Nothing.
Guidance. Alright?
Later. No, me have a video. How I go on also? Look like they delete everything off I file them with them that I use. Man. Where they now do now, Papa?
You gotta take so much time, you know? I have a flight.
You have a flight?
Yeah, I have a flight.
Oh, you fly out there, overseas?
No, not right away.
Oh, I hear you. Where's the drive by time? Who may I pick up? She?
Go by here now.
Who may I pick up? She?
Yeah, you pick her up.
You need the key there?
Alton. Yeah, what the black bed?
How are you there?
Go on, Nico. Yo, big boy, this one I have some more. Ready now. Set him out.
Oh, so behind the scenes, don't know people, so that is what is happening at Jamaiwood City. Later, I'm out.